Hello everybody, my name is Jason. I like pretty much all things that have motors. Doesn't matter, dirt bike, four-wheelers, motorcycles. As long as it's got some horsepower and it's got some get up, I want to jump on it. Anyway, this could be a new channel here on YouTube. It's pretty much going to be dedicated towards anything motorsports. I have cars that I work on, I have dirt bikes I work on, I have four-wheelers, motorcycles, go-karts, like you name it. It's pretty much going to be on this channel. So if that's something you guys enjoy, please stick around, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see if we can make a little bit of content along the way that you guys will enjoy. So today I have this here Honda Goldwing. It actually belongs to my father, and we've been having a little issue where the speedometer cable was broken. We figured out the speedometer stopped working. We figured since it's a 1980 that more than likely some of the things are going to start breaking on it. So it does need a little bit of love. My father dropped it off here a couple weeks ago and finally starting to get parts coming in. So we figured first I'll show you what's going on with it, and then once I show you where it's broken, I'll show you how to replace it, and then we will move on from there. Alright, so right now whenever you start up the bike, you can actually see that the speedometer will not work. Oh crap. Hold that thought 1 second. I'll have to charge the battery. Alright, start number 2. Sorry, excuse me, trying to do everything one-handed. So there's our speedometer, or our tachometer. Come on. There we go. As you see, there is no movement with this tach at all. 1880 Goldwing. It's seen better days. It's definitely beat up. Needs some got a little bit of paint work issues, but nothing that can't be fixed. It is the big Interstate. It's got the full bags and everything on it. So now let's try number 3. There we go. So as you see, there's no tach movement whatsoever. Pretty much I have narrowed it down to the tach cable. Pretty much the only thing that can break on it's either the needle itself or the cable. So in this case, what that actually happened, I have a replacement cable here, is that this is the connector that goes into the side of the... So here we are at the bike, and this tach cable, if you look down here, I believe this is the fuel pump. It runs from the very bottom here. Let me get a picture. Now we're going to move up to the top. Now you guys have a little better view of it. Right there. There's just a little twist off, but it's been on there for a few years, so I'll have to take off on it. Fair pliers. up, all I had to do is pull it, and it's pretty good, and pull it out. Now, all I gotta do is pull it out. Does concern me a little bit. The newer one is about a couple inches shorter. Hopefully we can make up with that. Alright, time to put on the new ones. Minutes later, finally got it in, on, at least through the loop. Right there, it's coming out up top. and get my camera to go right. Alright guys, we got her all buttoned up, so we'll go ahead and give her a start, make sure she's working. Alright, so that is it, and old Goldwing Tach is now working. Still got a lot of other problems to tackle with it, but I think I make a pretty decent video series. So until next time guys, keep riding, keep it safe, and play hard.